This one pot wonder for Orzo chicken is easy to prepare and bursting with flavour, making it a popular choice for busy weeknights or lazy weekends. It's a recipe that combines tender, juicy chicken with Orzo pasta, vegetables and a flavourful sauce.
Hey, I'm nutritionist Scott Baptie and welcome to my high protein kitchen. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a recipe that's got a real summer holiday vibe to it. And that is something that is definitely needed because as I film this just now in Aberdeenshire, it's currently snowing in March. Now, if you've never cooked with Orzo before, it's a type of shortcut pasta that looks like large grains of rice. Now, it's absolutely perfect for this recipe because it absorbs a lot of the flavour and it adds a delicious texture. I'm sure you will love it if you've never cooked it before. Right, let's do it. This is how you cook Orzo chicken.
The first thing to do is to prep your tomatoes. Now, I'm using these baby plum tomatoes, but you can use cherry tomatoes or full-size ones. Doesn't really matter, just make sure you cut them to help them break down in the sauce. Then you're going to roughly chop one carrot and then do the same with one onion. You can use white or red. And then your final vegetable is a courgette. You want to, when I prepare courgettes, I usually do it the same way. I quarter it and then chop them from there. Anyway, once you've got all your vegetables, you're going to pop them into a pan with a little bit of oil and fry them until they start to turn golden brown. Once that has been fried off for a few minutes and is starting to look yummy and smelling pretty tasty as well, add one clove of garlic and fry for a further 30 seconds to a minute. At this point in the video, please do hit that like button. It just means you're more likely to see these recipe videos in the future. Once you've done that, add 500 grams of chopped chicken breast and then fry that for a few minutes just to get some colour on it. It doesn't need to be cooked through because that'll happen once you add in the liquids. So for liquids, we're using a litre of chicken stock, or you could use vegetable, and then you're going to add 300 grams of dried orzo. Once you've done that, mix everything through nice and thoroughly and reduce the heat to a medium to low temperature so things can simmer for about 10 minutes. After it's had about 10 minutes of simmering, add in your chopped tomatoes along with a tablespoon of dried oregano. You're going to mix all that through and again simmer for about 10 minutes with the lid off. You may need to cook a little bit more or add a splash more water. It all just depends on the amount of evaporation that happens. But once you've cooked it for about 20 minutes in total, give it a little taste and make sure the orzo is nice and soft. Then garnish with some parsley and that is it.
Now that is a plate or bowl of summer holiday right there. Smells great, looks delicious, and I can't wait to try it. Anyway, thank you again for watching. Before you leave, it'd be great if you could hit that like button. Doesn't cost you anything, doesn't take any time, but it really does help me out. And it means you're more likely to see these videos in the future. And if you do make this, leave a comment and let me know how you find it. Oh, and also subscribe if you are a new viewer so you don't miss out on future high protein videos. Thanks again for being here. I'll speak to you later.